Welcome to Unlocking SweetCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SweetCommerce easy. Hi, I'm Fran, Project Management Officer at Tavano team, and today I'm going to show you how to set up personalized catalog views in SweetCommerce. Personalized catalog views helps you show specific products to a selected group of customers. You can create several groups, each with access to their own tailored selection of catalog items. Personalized catalog views can be beneficial, particularly for B2B websites or B2B B2C. Here are some examples. You can reserve exclusive access to specific items for BAB customers. You can create geographical exclusions if your products fall under region, state, or country-based restrictions, or you can create license restrictions or age restrictions for items that require a minimum age or special permits for purchase. But how does it work? Personalized catalog views uses NetSuite records like customer groups, commerce categories, item collections, or the Customer Segment Manager tool to help you personalize your catalogs for your customer. To enable the personalized catalog feature, go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. In the Items and Inventory tab, click on Personalized Catalog Views to enable the feature and save. The next step is to create your customer groups. To do this, go to Lists, Relationships, Groups. Click on New Group. Your group can be dynamic or static. I will show you both. First, let's see how the static customer group works. After selecting static, choose from the drop-down menu the kind of members you would like to include and click Continue. In a static group, you handpick the specific customers you want to include. In the Members tab, you can add them one by one. To add multiple members simultaneously, click the Add Multiple button, and a pop-up window will show the complete list of members for you to select. Another option for adding multiple members at once is to use a search. The advantage of using a search is that you can use multiple filters to create a truly customized group. However, because it is static, this group will be made with the search information at that specific moment. The list will not be updated automatically. In the Personalization Rules tab, you can assign the items you want this new group to see. Here, you can select the item segment to display and its website visibility level for this specific group. Now, let's see how a dynamic customer group works. In a dynamic group, you use different criteria to create groups automatically. Here, you'll have to add members through a saved search, as I explained before. Now, because this group is dynamic, the list of customers will be continuously updated. Now that you have set up your groups, you have to create the item segments. There are two ways to create an item segment: commerce categories and item collections. Using a commerce category as an item segment is the most popular option because they're already created. To create a commerce category, go to Commerce, Content Management, Commerce Categories. If you want to create collections of items that do not necessarily match commerce categories, you can create an item collection. To create an item collection segment, go to Lists, Accounting, Item Collections, New. Name your collection and decide if it will be static or dynamic. Just like with your groups, if it's static, you choose items one by one. If it's dynamic, the segment will be created based on a saved search, and it will be updated automatically. In the Customer Segment tab, you will assign the segment to the group and their website visibility level. Now that you have created your customer groups and your item segments, the next step is to manage the item segment visibility. You now have to tell NetSuite which customer groups get to see which item collections. Go to the Customer Segment Managers tool, Commerce, Marketing, Customer Segments Manager. Click on Add Item Segments and add the commerce categories you want to customize. You'll manage the website visibility level and customer segments from the commerce categories that you've chosen. And you're done! Now you're ready to make the most of your personalized catalog views feature on your SweetCommerce website yourself. Give it a try. Subscribe to our channel for more SweetCommerce tutorials and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time!